Brazilian court revives case against Olympian Ryan Lochte. Over the summer, it appeared Ryan Lochte had been cleared of criminal charges in Brazil after he was accused of fabricating a story about getting robbed at gunpoint in Rio de Janeiro during the 2016 Olympics. Not so fast. On Friday, a decision made by an appeals court that originally ruled the case should be dismissed was reversed, according to USA Today, which cited Brazilian newspaper O Globo. The ruling came after Rio's prosecutor's office filed its own appeal. "I'm disappointed that they're trying to take another shot at it," Lochte's attorney Jeff Ostral told USA Today. "I think they should just let it die because they lost and because he didn't do anything wrong. But for whatever reason, they want to try to save face and continue this charade. Let them do what they gotta do and we'll continue to fight it because we believe we're right." Ostral said he will now attempt to halt further proceedings by filing his own legal motion. If the case continues, Lochte could once again be facing a sentence of 1 to 6 months in jail should he be convicted of a misdemeanor offense of fabrication, although he would be unlikely to serve it. The reason, according to CNBC, is that Lochte would need to be extradited to Brazil, which would require U.S. cooperation. Under agreed-upon terms with Brazil, extradition only applies in the case of more serious offenses, such as a murder or rape. Lochte's alleged offense was making up a tale inspired by a confrontation between him and 3 other U.S. swimmers and security at a gas station. After the incident, Lochte embarked on a media tour telling the world he was robbed at gunpoint by criminals posing as Rio police. With Rio authorities trying to downplay the city's crime rate, however, Lochte's allegations sparked an investigation. Eventually security camera footage revealed Lochte's story was untrue. Lochte left Brazil before his story fell apart, however the 3 teammates who were with him at the gas station, Gunnar Bentz, Jack Conger and James Figan, were detained by authorities before being allowed to fly home. Lochte later admitted he over-exaggerated the story and apologized for his immature behavior. The case made international headlines before a Brazilian appeals court decided to dismiss it based on the fact that Lochte did not approach the police to initiate an investigation. Ostral told USA Today on Friday he believes that bit of information will allow him to stay the case. Because of the order in which it took place and because authorities went to him and Ryan didn't run to them or run into the police station, they can't charge him with what they would like to, and he didn't commit any crime, Ostral said. "We're not surprised by this development, but incredibly disappointed that they're continuing with this charade and they just can't seem to move on beyond this." Read more. Olympic weightlifting class notorious for positive doping tests may get chopped. South Korean Prime Minister says he hopes President Trump attends Pyeongchang Olympics. Vladimir Putin accuses certain American bodies of conspiring to keep Russia out of Olympics. Don't hold your breath waiting for a Michael